Jadito mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Lands Kalonzo Musyoka oseyo piny owacho kuom koso rido chenro mag konyo jo Kenya makech kayo, kowacho ni chwalo chiemo ne jopuonjre e skunde owinjo ket e ong'ala manyime. Twak mare gi jofwambo odhiambo ma kawuono, Musyoka okwero jo Kenya wi pidho chiemb GMO mowacho ni biro hinyo ngimagi. Kamano bende omedo ni riwruok mar Azimio dhi medo timo tije mar neno ni piny owacho otiyo ne jopiny kaka dwarore.
This regime already seems to be insensitive to the suffering of our people. Kwa hivyo, mimi nawasihi tu, Wakenya ingawaje tuko na uvumilivu wa hali ya juu, tusife moyo. Hasa wakati kama huu, tunatarajia Mungu atujalie tupate mvua ya msimu, tupande vyakula vyetu, lakini tusipande vya GMO tafadhali. Ukipanda GMO basi umekwisha. Now you'll not be able to replicate even your seeds. We have to stand for what is in the best interest of us, the current generation, and the future generations of Kenyans. We will do so fearlessly, but with due regard to the rights we have under our Constitution. As Azimio la Umoja One Kenya, we are putting our house in order, absolutely in order, to be a working, relevant, official position. May God bless our country once again. The president has just to be patient. Yesterday was his first public engagement on a national day. He didn't have to take that route, where he opens himself to the kind of criticism that all of us are able to articulate today.